This is a tabletop wire sawing machine. You can put it on top of your desk. Width is 57 cm. Height is 70 cm. Length is 64 cm. The machine is CNC controlled. Here is the touchscreen controller. Open the window. You can see the cutting wire cut horizontally. The max cutting size is 150 millimeters. The cutting wire cuts from top to the bottom. If you set a slice thickness, it automatically moves to cut same slices. If you input a drawing in machine system, the cutting wire moves according to your drawings. You'll get an exactly same shape. And this complex shape cutting function is an optional choice. Contact us to get more information.